Now I'm talking about morphology and anatomy of cockroach. Animals are multicellular heterotroph, means depend on other, and they acquire energy and monomers for ingesting the organic molecule of the other organism. तो दे आर यूकैरियोटिक ऑर्गेनिज्म होते हैं ये, और कैरेक्टराइज बाय द न्यूट्रिशनल हैबिट्स. एनिमल किंगडम काफ़ी डाइवर्स है, उसमें कई मिलियन स्पीशीज़ पाई जाती हैं. तो इसमें हम साइलेंट फीचर देखेंगे कॉकरोच के, दैट इज़ पेरीप्लैनेटा अमेरिकाना, एंड आर प्रोवाइडेड विथ रिप्रेजेंट नॉन कॉर्डेट्स. ये ट्रिप्लोब्लास्टिक है बिकॉज इट हैव 3 लेयर्स, एक्टोडर्म आउटर मोस्ट, मेसोडर्म मिडल लेयर एंड एंडोडर्म इनर मोस्ट. And the bilateral symmetry means body is divided into 2 equal half like us, and have attained organ system grade of organization, for example digestive system. So I am starting with morphology of cockroach. Scientific or zoological name is Periplaneta americana. Cockroach Periplaneta americana is a common nocturnal omnivorous household pest. Nocturnal है, रात में निकलता है. omnivorous है, वेज नॉन वेज दोनों खाता है. Which is commonly found in warm damp places like storehouse, kitchen, bakery, sewage channel, etc. In daytime they remain inactive, but during night they become active and run here and there in search of food, that is nocturnal. Cockroach can transmit a variety of bacterial diseases by contaminating food material. Now I'm talking about external features. Body of cockroach is elongated होती है, ये segmented है, bilateral symmetrical है, flat है dorsoventrally and reddish brown in color. Adult male are usually 30 to 40 mm in length and female 30 to 35 mm in length. Body is covered by a hard brown colored joint chitinous exoskeleton. Segment of exoskeleton are hardened to form plates called scleroid, means turgid dorsally, and stenoids ventrally, means आगे की साइड को ventral और बैक साइड को dorsal बोलते हैं. These heart plates are jointed to each other by soft, thin and flexible intersegmental arthroidal membrane. Now I'm talking about the head. Head consists of 6 segments indistinguishably fused together. इसमें आपस में अच्छे से फ्यूज रहते हैं सारे. Small triangular head is anteriorly raised to the thorax. thorax से anterior side में होता है by a narrow flexible neck covered by the plates known as head capsule. At its upper end the head bear 2 large compound eye. हमारी तरह इसमें सिंपल आई नहीं होती है. जो कंपाउंड आई का जो मेन फीचर है वो क्या है कि अलग अलग पीसेज में इसको इमेज दिखाई देती है, सबको मिलाकर एक इमेज दिख पाता है. सिंपल आई इसमें आई जो है वो लाइट सेंसेशन के लिए होती है. एक्सोस्केलेटन ऑफ हेड कंसिस्ट ऑफ 2 एपिक्राइनल plates or occipital scleroid which cover the dorsal and posterior side of the head. These plates are fused in front by Y-shaped epicranial suture, means there are. An unpaired triangular plate known as frons is present anteriorly between the arm of the epicranial suture. It has a ventral clips. The lateral side of the head are covered by a pair of vertical plates called genae, which lie below the eye. A pair of thread-like elongated antennae is present in the anterior medial indentation of the eye. Antennae have a sensory receptors, so this message को receive करने के लिए they help in monitoring the environment. At the base of each antennae there is a small pear colored area called ocellular spot, which represent undeveloped ocelli. Ocelli act as a simple and are responsible for detecting light. Mouth is situated at the lower end of the head and it is provided with several appendages which are collectively known as mouth parts. Mouth parts are of biting and chewing type होते हैं इसमें. They consist of labrum, means upper lip, mandible, maxilla, labium lower lip को बोलते हैं, and hypopharynx. Labrum upper lip is broad, hollow, lobe of the head movable behind or the claviceps. It is moved by labral muscles inserted anteriorly at the base. Mandible are paired appendages present on each side of the mouth. Each mandible bears 2 surfaces, one on each outer basal angle. These are called condyles. And now I'm talking about thorax. Thorax is separated by the head and abdomen by flexible joint. It consists of 3 segments. एक तो होता है anterior prothorax, middle mesothorax और posterior metathorax. Each segment bear a pair of walking legs. Mesothorax and metathorax also have a pair of wings each. There are 2 pairs of thoracic spiracle. ओपनिंग होती है spiracle जहाँ से respiration होता है. इसके पीछे की पाइप को ट्रैकिया बोलते हैं. One between pro and mesothorax and the other between meso and metathorax. Now I'm talking about walking legs. All walking legs are similar and each consists of 5 segments. The large stout coxa articulate with the thoracic segment between the pleuron and sternum. A small trochanter is fused with the femur, which is long and broad, followed by a slender and spiny tibia, and then tarsus means foot. Each tarsus consists of 5 movable podomeres which bear spine, and their lower edges have soft adhesive pads called palentuli. Now I'm talking about wings. There are two type of pair of wings. The first pair arises from the mesothorax और second pair जो है वो मेटाथोरैक्स से निकलता है, attached to the anterior lateral margin of the nota. First pair of wings जो है उसे हम क्लेट्रा या टर्जमीना कहते हैं. They are leathery and having scleroid and cover the hind wing at rest. वो फ्लाइट के लिए यूज़ नहीं होते हैं, जबकि सेकेंड पेयर ऑफ विंग मैम्ब्रेनस होते हैं, थिन ट्रांसपेरेंट होते हैं एंड लार्ज होते हैं, यूज फॉर द फ्लाइट. Wing arises between the tergum and pleura as the outgrowth of hypodermis. Now I am talking about abdomen. Abdomen of cockroach is broad, somewhat flattened anteriorly. It consists of 10 segments. Exoskeleton of abdomen consists of 10 dorsal tacgal plates, but the 9th sternum of the male and the 8th and 9th terga of the female are narrow and largely overlapped by the 7th tergum. On the ventral side there are 9 sternal plate in the male and only 7 in the female. ये दोनों में फ़र्क है. On the lateral side membranous pleura are present. 10th tergum is shield shaped and deep cleft posteriorly. 10th segment bear a pair of long tapering means nucleae pointed. 15 jointed anal cirri इसमें होते हैं. 9th sternum of the male has a pair of slender anal styles which are absent in females. अब रिप्रोडक्टिव वाला इसका पोर्शन देखें तो जेनाइटल अपर्चर इज लोकेटेड ऑन द 8th sternum इन द फीमेल एंड बिटवीन द 9th and 10th इन द मेल. Genital aperture in both sexes is surrounded by a complicated set of scleroid known as gonophysics, which from genitala means external genital organ in the male and ovipositor in the female. In the female, the 7th sternum is produced backward to form a board-shaped structure which differentiate the female from the male. ये दोनों में फ़र्क है. In the 10th segment just below the tergum is anus, जहाँ से fecal matter निकलता है. Supported होता है वो 4 podial plates से. There are 8 pairs of spiracles, that is stigmata, on each side of the abdomen. And the abdominal spiracle are smaller than the thoracic ones, से छोटे होते हैं ये. First pair lie dorsally in the first abdominal tergum and the remaining 7th pair are present on the pleura of the segment 2 to 8. So this is all about morphology of cockroach.